What's up everybody, Jay Styles, all things Styles. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, do me a solid, hit that subscribe button. That act of kindness goes a long way in ensuring the growth of the channel. Speaking of kindness, have you checked out the Facebook group, #squad? It'll be linked below. And we can't get into the video without shouting out the squad. What up Mike T? What up 12 on Apparel? What up You Dig Lifestyle? What up Say How You Feel TV? So today's video, long overdue mug press. The mug press that I use is going to be the Impress series by Heat Press Nation. Ideal for me. It's going to be about $149 price wise. I think it's on sale. If I can, it'll be linked below. It goes up to 400 degrees, which is also ideal for sublimating. And currently it's set at 400 degrees. It's going to be 60 seconds. So we'll get into the video once the heat press heats up. So you guys take a break, get your snacks, whatever you guys need, and we'll be right back in about 2 and 2. Okay, so our press is at 400 degrees. We got our mug taped and ready to go. We're going to insert it like this. You're going to clamp it down. So for today's video, we're using plain old copy paper. And for your mugs, you can't use your standard Dollar Tree mug. It's got a special film on the mug for sublimation purposes. And you can get your templates, you can just Google it, but it's going to be about a 3.5 by 8. And you would simply take your image, line it up, you know, center it, get your heat tape, tape it down, insert it to the mug press, and then we're good. And I'm sure I didn't ask you guys, so how's your guys' day going? That's what's up. For myself, just taking it easy, you know, waiting for that 10,000 subs. By the way, tell a friend. In fact, tell like 2 or 3 friends. I mean, the more the merrier, right? You guys prefer coffee or tea? Hot cocoa? It's not a bad choice. It's that time of the year. How about spiced apple cider? Nah, I'm not into that either. I mean, I just forgot to ask. I mean, some people do like it. Also, you guys be careful not to tighten it too tight because you can snap your handles. And that there is your mug. And like the mug says, you guys be easy. Catch you on the next one. Jay Styles. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.